We've just discovered the spoon and how to put it in her mouth. Good job. Not too far. Just got a little bit of cereal left on it. Figured we'd start slow. Good girl. There you go. Not that end. Can't quite reach it. I'm all strapped in. There you go. Good job. Yeah, you gotta learn to use your spoon now. Good job. Good girl. Okay, say bye-bye.